Today I'm cooking Khanom Tako, also known as Kueh Tako. This is the Thai version that I grew up with. It has a creamy smooth coconut layer and chewy and soft taro layer at the bottom. This recipe uses minimal sugar, so it is not as sweet as the traditional Khanom Tako. This recipe makes about 56 medium-sized Khanom Tako. The ingredients needed for the base layer are 750 grams of taro roots cut into cubes. Here is 600 grams and it will be used as a base of the Khanom Tako. And here is 150 grams cut into smaller cubes which will be used for topping. 1.2 liters of water, 150 grams of castor sugar. It is not recommended to reduce anymore as this is already minimum amount. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 30 grams of tapioca flour, 150 grams of mung bean starch, 100 grams of rice flour, and taco basket made from pandan leaves. For the top layer or the coconut layer, we need 1 liter of freshly squeezed coconut milk, 150 grams of castor sugar, 35 grams of mung bean starch, 20 grams of tapioca flour, 50 grams of rice flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients and method of making the taco basket are in the see more link. First, steam the taro roots cube. Place a small strainer and empty the 150 grams of cube for topping. Add the rest of the cube outside the strainer. Level the cube so that they steam evenly. I have prepared the pot with hot boiling water over medium heat. Carefully place the steamer and cover it. Let it steam for 15 minutes or until fully cooked and soft. While waiting for the taro roots to cook, prepare the base layer. Add 1.2 liters of water into the large mixing bowl. All the sugar, rice flour, mung bean starch, tapioca flour, and all the salt. Mix it with the whisk until fully combined. Just a note, make sure to use mung bean starch, not the mung beans flour. The starch will result in pure white taco, while the flour will give a yellow tint to the taco. Even I have made mistake previously. Alright, the base is well combined. Set it aside. After 15 minutes, take on the taro roots cube. If a fork can go through, it is ready. Switch off the heat. Carefully remove the steamer from the pot and rest it on a cooling rack for 5 minutes. Next, prepare the taco basket before cooking the taro layer. To keep them fresh, I have sprinkled water on them, covered with cling wrap, and kept them chilled in the fridge. With a dry clean cloth, dab the excess water off the basket. Once the taro layer is cooked, we will immediately put them in the basket while it is hot. Alright, set them aside. Back to the steamed taro's cube, remove the strainer and set aside. Divide the remaining taro's cube into 3 portions. Transfer 2/3 of the cube to a plate and the remaining 1/3 to a bowl. Over a non-stick pan over medium heat, add the base layer flour water and 1/3 of the steamed taro roots cube. Cook the mixture for about 8 minutes, stirring constantly. This prevents burning at the bottom. Thicken the liquid and gently mashes the taro's cube. After 5 minutes, the flour mixture has started to thicken slightly. Remove the whisk and continue stirring with the silicone spatula for 3 more minutes. After 8 minutes, the mixture has become very viscous and thick. The taro roots has also started to dissolve. Add 2/3 of the steamed taro roots cube and continue stirring vigorously for 2 more minutes. Make sure to scrape the side often as well. We are looking for a thick, smooth, and shining consistency. After 10 minutes, the base layer is very thick and smooth. There is a beautiful shine to it as well. It is ready. Switch off the heat. Immediately transfer a portion of the base layer to a small bowl. Then, with a spoon, scoop the base layer into each basket until they come to about half the basket. Alright, all done. Next, let's make the top coconut layer. Switch on the heat to medium. Pour all the coconut milk into a non-stick pan. Salt, mung bean starch, tapioca flour, and rice flour. Stir with a whisk to distribute it. And add all the sugar. Keep whisking until the flour and sugar has dissolved. This can take about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, most of the flour has dissolved. Switch the stirring with a silicone spatula. Continue stirring. After 5 minutes, the coconut mixture should start to thicken up now. But consistency is still not smooth. Keep stirring, making sure to scrape the side of the pan often. After 7 minutes, the coconut layer has thickened significantly. It's also very smooth and glossy, really beautiful. Switch off the heat. Transfer a little of it to a bowl. With a spoon, fill the basket to a brim with the coconut layer. Try to pour in one go for the smoothest surface. When one row is complete, sprinkle a few of Taro's cube from the strainer to the middle of the taco. Any extra of the taro layer and coconut layer can be assembled in a clean airtight container and refrigerated in the same way. Repeat row by row until all the taco has been filled and topped. Alright, all done. They look amazing. Allow to cool for about 30 minutes and carefully carry the tray and refrigerate in the fridge for about 4 hours or until completely set and chilled to the touch. There's 2 ways to enjoy this dessert. We can scoop it out from the pandan basket. Or as per tradition, we can carefully unwrap the basket from the secure flap like this and take a bite. Wow, delicious! It is not sweet and the distinct taste of smooth, rich coconut melt into chewy taro roots. I am going to send some of this to my family and neighbors. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!